Before you eat dinner, before you even drive to the grocery store to buy it, the food on your table probably passed through a Lineage Logistics warehouse, even though you've never heard of them. That's because today, Lineage is responsible for storing and moving 40% of the frozen and refrigerated cargo in the US. Being responsible for a sizable chunk of the world's food supply chain is a big deal, and making sure it runs efficiently takes big data. How big? Well, consider this. Each Lineage warehouse can be the size of 10 football fields and contain around 40,000 pallet positions. So every inch of wasted space is wasted revenue. Optimizing space to boost the bottom line comes down to data. So Lineage turned to CLOUDERA to help them put that data to work. By using data analytics to automatically adjust shelving and map pallet sizes to the right position, Lineage was able to create an additional 3 warehouses worth of space without having to expand. Tracking the movement of food isn't just critical, it's complicated. To automate the intricate movement of food in and out of their warehouses, Lineage designed an AI neural network that predicts the speed and frequency different items need to move. Now, instead of making random forklift runs, workers automatically know where they need to go, and they can get there faster. Data is also helping Lineage solve one of the industry's biggest challenges, keeping food cool and energy costs low. Every year, Lineage consumes well over 600 million kilowatt hours keeping your frozen food, well, frozen. To save energy and money, Lineage used a thermal model to understand the movement of heat going in and out of each warehouse via sensors that send real-time data to the CLOUDERA platform. Now, each Lineage warehouse works like a battery that automatically adapts power usage as demands fluctuate throughout the day. The result is a 34% reduction in energy consumption and millions of dollars of savings. From reducing operating costs and energy usage to maximizing warehouse efficiency, Lineage is applying machine learning, AI, and data science to make smarter warehouses that deliver real business results. That's how data keeps Lineage moving, from farm to fork.